Hello friends, in this video we'll be doing something very unique that we haven't done in a while. So we'll be creating a TradingView strategy using AI. And not only that, once we have developed the strategy, we'll be automating that into a workable trading bot. So this is something pretty exciting that I find out. So over here, let's dive deep in this. So as you can see that I already have logged into ChatGPT. So let me just get some input. Can you develop Pine script for me? So let's start with the starters over here. I want a strategy, Pine script strategy that I can backtest along with the buy sell alerts. So this is a prompt that we have asked the ChatGPT. So the reason why we have asked the ChatGPT to get the buy sell alerts, so that we can use these alerts and automate it using our SpeedBot account. Okay, so here are some of the conditions that ChatGPT has asked us. That is, are we using indicators like RSI, MACD, Super 20 EMA? Okay, what time frame is it on stocks, risk management, other features, alerts for visor, display historical trades on the charts, filters like volume confirmation. So we'll just answer a few. We want to use RSI. Let's say that we want to use only RSI, and the strategy would be traded on a 5-minute time frame. Let's say that we are creating the intraday strategy. We'll have a 5-minute time frame. What else? No need for risk management. So the reason why I'm mentioning the no need for risk management is that we will be configuring all the risk management parameters on our SpeedBot account. So let us not get this done onto our TradingView Pine script code. So let us just keep it as simple as possible. Alerts, yes, we need alerts for buy signal, buy sell signals. Displaying historical trades on the charts. Yes, we want to display the historical trades. What else? Okay, that sums it up. All right, let me minimize this format. Okay, so here I can see that the indicator uses RSI, time frame by when RSI crosses above 70, okay, above 30, oversold. So this is basically a counter trend strategy maybe. So let's keep it simple. Make this as a trend following strategy rather than a counter trend one. So I think let us optimize the strategy in a way that we can add it onto our TradingView chart. So let us do that. right. Okay, so this is basically the summary of what we have done. That is, ChatGPT has modified the strategy. So into a trend following strategy now, whenever the RSI crosses above 55, it will buy, and it will exit whenever RSI crosses below 45. Fair enough. So we can just get this code. Let me just copy it. All right, now we'll be pasting this onto our TradingView account. So let us just open up the chart. Let's see, we can have it on the Nifty weeklies. Maybe I'm thinking of getting the weeklies checked on this. So over here, let us just go and add our Pine script strategy. All right, I'll just replace this with the new one. I'll just save it. Yep, and I'll add it on the chart. Okay, so I can see a few trades over here. Okay. So in order to verify this, let us just add the RSI indicator. Let us see. So what are the parameters that we have used in order to get this strategy created? So it's 14, 55 and 53. Let me just zoom in a bit. $14, 55 and 45, all right. Okay, this seems pretty bad over here. Of course, we can optimize it based on our experience, based on our understanding of the markets. So this is a template strategy that we have created, right? No problem. So let us just head back to our strategy. Let me just show you how things can be done. Let me just ignore other stuff. Regular bearish. Alright, we'll just edit it from our side. Maybe we'll increase the thickness of the RSI line. The upper band, let us remove the one is 55 and 45, I believe. So let us just head back to our 5-minute time frame. All right. So over here, okay. So as you can see, so this is the fresh trade that the Pine script has highlighted. That is at the close of this candle. So this is 15:05. That is at the end of the day. It has generated a buy signal at the candle close of 15:05. That is 3:05 p.m. So before that, at 3 o'clock, the value of the RSI was around 52, as you can see over here, 52. And now, after 5 minutes, when it closed, so it closed somewhere around 58. So the 3:05 candle. So that is when we got the buy signal at the candle closing of 3:05. That is, at the open of the 3:10, we bought the Nifty. So this is the spot chart on which I am checking out the trades. So likewise, I'll go for the short side before I automate this bot. So over here, as you can see that the sell that is a short position was opened at somewhere around 12:15 on 7th Feb. 12:15, as you can see. Okay, so prior to this candle, the value would be lesser than 45. So this means that prior to this candle, the value was 47, and after the 12:10, so when it closed at 12:10, the value was 40, right? So yeah, I can see that ChatGPT has done the perfect work in order to understand what kind of Pine script we wanted to create. Now, let us get this AI-based trading strategy automated into a workable trading bot. Like I mentioned earlier, let me head over to my SpeedBot account. So over here, you can see that I've logged into my SpeedBot account. So let me create an options bot. So it is on Nifty RSI bot, RSI TradingView bot. I'll name it as. All right. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm creating only one signal for the bullish side. So first of all, the only thing that I need to check whether I have saved this bot or not. So this is the very first step in order to create our TradingView bot on SpeedBot. So let me click on the save and continue button, and over here I'll just click on the save button. So this has updated my parameters of what all things that I want to do in my option bot builder in a no-code way, right? So over here, let's say that this is a buy that was triggered at 15:10, beg your pardon. So at 15 or 10, we want to enter into a buy trade. So once that signal is generated, a buy signal is generated, then what kind of option would I want to trade in? Would I like to buy a call option? Would I like to short a put option? So let us keep this as a buying trade, that is an option buying strategy. So whenever I see a buy trade, the bot would be able to buy a call option over here, buy a call option over here, likewise. So over here, of course, we'll select the weekly expiry. I can set the target as well. Let's say that I do not want to be much in the market, so I'll just add my target and stop loss. So if you remember, the reason why we were not adding any risk management parameters in our TradingView Pine script strategy. So over here, I get all these risk management tools which I can use to mitigate the risk on my TradingView bot. All right, so I think this is pretty fine, and I can just mention that what time in the morning would I like to start the bot. So it could be around 9:25 or 9:30 maybe, when there is lesser volatility, and by afternoon 3:15 I would like to exit any position which is open. So now we have created the structure of what all things that need to be done when a buy signal is triggered. Now we have two things with us in our hand. We have created the TradingView strategy on our TradingView platform using ChatGPT, and we have created the structure, the option structure that we would like to initiate whenever this signal is generated. Now there is a bridge that is being left to be configured, which is the signal generation needs to be connected with the option structure. So let us do that. If you are able to see the TradingView symbol, so over here you'll get two options. So you'll just select the strategy. So this is the PineScript strategy that you can use to connect your PineScript signals to your TradingView strategy created on SpeedBot. So you just create on next. All right. So you can just copy this message. Okay, so you can just read the instructions before copying the message. Create alerts using your set name, such as type bullish. So over here you can see that in the settings you can configure the name TradingView and click add alerts. Okay, paste the JSON data in the message section as shown in the image here. You create on this, copy it, and then in the entry signal using strategy method with, okay, you need to make sure that you have this. Also you can read this, that TradingView PineScript strategy, you can add a custom alert by including it within the alert messages variable. All right, so over here let us just go and open up the Pine editor. Okay, so in the alert message, what all things that need to be done? Strategy.entry. Okay, so over here alert message equals to bullish. All right, until here, just copy it, place a comma, and this is done. Let me recheck again. Okay. Now I'll just click on update on chart. Now this is saved. I'll click on alert. I'll just select our strategy, that is by the name RSI trend following strategy. Add a custom name, RSI bullish entry, for example. So this is pretty cool that I find. I'll just copy this message. This is yet to be done. I'll just paste it over here. Okay, so I have pasted it like the instructions. Now I'll go to next. So this URL needs to be copied and added into the webhook URL. So over here I'll go. All right, so once you do that, so I'm yet to enable this, so let me do it from my end. All right, the configuration is done, and now, okay, so I'm at the last stage of the entry signal, so I'll just hit the save button. Okay, so this is how my bullish signal is configured. So I'll click on save and continue, and again I have to make sure that this is saved. All right, so if I go over here and I see, let me just pull up the bot. So this is the signal that is configured, right? So whatever alerts that are being created over here, so you will be able to get those, and accordingly the option structure that you have added will be executed automatically. So you can just simply deploy this bot. So let's say that if you are forward testing it for a week, then you'll be able to see that like this. And that's how whenever the positions which are created over here, so those will be replicated around here. So I hope that in this ultimate guide you understood how you can create your TradingView strategy, create the signals, get those signals into your broker or your paper account using SpeedBot. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, you can just hit the like button and give us a comment. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.